Hello again, word lovers. Today we're going to look at words which have come from Arabic. Now, I don't speak Arabic, so I'm no expert, but I find this interesting because when I investigate the roots of words, there's a lot of misdirection. Let's have a look at some Arabic words. Genuine Arabic words first. We'll start with algorithm, almanac. I live in Spain. Almost all Spanish words in the dictionary that begin with al are from Arabic. Lots to do with mathematics, to do with architecture. Algorithm obviously is mathematical. This is pretty definitely, we can say, from the book where algebra was first known by Al-Khwarizmi was the author. But here's our first trap. Just because a word begins with al doesn't mean that it's from Arabic. And here were two words that annoyed me particularly by starting from this idea. Alcohol. Yes, it means alcohol is the Arabic word. It means the black eyeliner makeup, which is still what it means in a lot of languages. Kohl, I think in German means that. And they're telling us the story of how it could, but where's Paracelsus? I'm thinking. I was pretty sure that this was because of the writings of Paracelsus. He used the distillation process a lot, and it was him that began to use the word alcohol, and it became popularized from there. But there you go, Paracelsus was mentioned in one of the many explanations I looked at. Rather like making a film about the Enigma code and not having Alan Turing in it at any point. Alchemy is another one, which I think we'll say, yeah, okay, alchemy, say it came from Arabic. Our word chemistry comes from alchemy, so it might be worth knowing what chem is. And again, not many mentions of alchem being the old word for Egypt. I don't know whether the Egyptians referred to their own land as Alchem, but that's what I thought, that's what I understood. And this is the thing, if you look, coffee is claimed to be an Arabic word as well. In another dictionary, it might say, coffee, the English word, is from the French word café. And you think, oh good, I'm happy with that. But where did they get it from? And then you go back to Turkish, kafa, is it? I don't know, Arabic. And then yes, it came via Turkey, originally from Arabic. But where did the Arabs get it from? Am I wrong in thinking it could be kafa in Ethiopia, which is where coffee comes from? Etymologies I don't like. Yes, alchemy, alchem, which apparently Egypt, the black earth it meant. Here's a popular one, assassin. Any half-interested etymologist would know assassin comes from hashishin, which is the plural of hashish. And this is because a fanatical Muslim sect used hashish to inebriate its soldiers just before they went on the rampage. Or, oh, who knows, because frankly I use hashish and it really doesn't make me feel very warlike. I'm more inclined to think legend 2. They were allowed into the garden of Hassan ibn al-Sabah. Hassan ibn al-Sabah, the well-known leader of the sect, the old man of the mountains, is his translation into English. Thankfully, the etymology I wrote said there is no evidence that the blah 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 used hashish. So there you go. And also, watch out for that hashishin. In is the plural ending in Arabic, and as we always do, we confuse it, think, well, it's just part of the word. Bedouin is another example. The word hashish itself is rather disappointing, enters English in the 13th century, meaning dry leaves, usually hemp, and therefore, by extension, the other use of that plant. Average, again, claimed to have Arabic origins. The story is that it means, it's from the Old French, avarice, damage to a ship. It's very specific because this was where the insurance companies decided that they would even out the damages. So if one ship got damaged, all clubbed together to pay for it. Avaria in Italian, averia in Spanish, even today means a breakdown. It doesn't work. It's avarice. However, in this particular etymology, we get our favourite phrase of uncertain origin, sometimes traced to Arabic awariya. So there you go, damaged merchandise. But let's not forget our first video when we looked at the 37,000 possible etymologies for okay. So Arabic's coming out of this quite badly, at least in the etymology stakes. Let's do some real Arabic words.